So the climate in Korea, climate in USA and climate in India and climate in Israel is different. And that is the reason that it is your outlook. That whether it is the Korean plant is good or California plant is good or Israeli plant is good or Indian plant is good, that is not our concern. We have a good market of Bangladesh. But Bangladesh increased the duty by 180% on our oranges. And where I am insisting them for orange barfi. The barfi is very beautiful, but presently they are manufacturing this orange barfi in Delhi. We have a good market of Bangladesh. But Bangladesh increased the duty by 180% on our oranges. Our logistic cost is very high. We have to take the oranges up to Bangladesh by transport. The cost is very high. And today I am trying from last many years, but now we have succeeded that we are making dry port, satellite port in Nagpur near Sindhi, by which here we can take oranges up to the Haldia in the Calcutta, and after that from river we can take oranges up to Bangladesh. So we will reduce the cost by 1,50,000 rupees per container. To reduce the logistic cost is our responsibility. To start the processing industries is our industry, our responsibility. The Ramdev Baba has taken the initiative for making a big factory in Nagpur, in Mihan. Now I am pursuing with him, and probably within 1-2 months he is going to complete that plant. Then there will be a market for that. The mother dairy is going to start the expansion of their manufacturing in Nagpur of 450 crores. In our agrovision we have a program, and where I am insisting them for orange barfi. The barfi is very beautiful, but presently they are manufacturing this orange barfi in Delhi. So now in Nagpur also they are planning for that, and people who are coming to Nagpur, their interest is to purchase this barfi. But the barfi available in the market is not orange barfi exactly. They are using other things for that. So we have completed the research. The mother dairy has taken the responsibility, and as early as possible we are going to launch this orange barfi in the country. Now we have started using technology. In place of 2 bags of urea, we can use 1 nano urea bottle by using it, by taking the advantage of the technology by using drones. In my area we have taken drone spraying on 3,000 acre of sugar cane. The productivity is good. When we are using urea or mixed fertilizer by traditional system, the 75% is lost and 25% is going to the plant. But by using drone, it can give us 25% only wastage and 75% going to the plant. So we directly save the cost of the fertilizer per acre. We need to reduce the expenditure cost, increase the productivity and quality by giving more profitability to the farmers. Now this year in my own orchid we are facing problem because of heavy rains, and that is the reason that total our orange crop is collapsed. But we cannot blame it for anybody. But by using good technology, how we can increase the productivity? I know that the quality of the fruits in Indian scenario is not up to the international mark. In the many big cities like Delhi and Mumbai, in every marriages, when we see the fruits, the majority fruits are imported. Now in Nashik, they are exporting grapes from Nashik. And the farmers from Nashik like Sahyadri farm, they have their own nurseries. They are selecting the good quality of grape nursery they are using and making it, and by which they increase the productivity. Farmers are doing excellent jobs. Your research is very important. You are, whatever the research you are doing, I am giving special thanks to you. I am also a farmer, an orange grower, Mosambik grower and lemon grower. Now I understand, I know that region to region, district to district, climate is changing. So the climate in Korea, climate in USA and climate in India and climate in Israel is different. The dream of the Prime is to make third largest economy in the world, to make the economy of $5 trillion. And agriculture growth rate is only 12%. The manufacturing sector contributes in GDP growth is 22 to 24%, and the service sector 52 to 54%. I don't want to criticize anybody. I will respect your research. But ultimately your research is not going to helpful the grassroots farmer. Then what is the use of it? But still from last 50 years, we have this Orange Research Institute. Now it is just coming, I know, but it probably from 30 to 40 years. But still in the Nagpur area, it is not up to the mark as a farmer we are expecting from them. And it is not their problem, it is the problem with you. And that is the reason that it is your outlook. That whether it is the Korean plant is good, or California plant is good, or Israeli plant is good, or Indian plant is good, that is not our concern. You have to contribute and guide us. How you are going to implement your research in grassroots level? This is the question in the mind of the common farmer, and you have to answer it. And that is the reason that the expectation of the farmer is very high. And you need to formulate the policy, what is to be need of the country, what is the need of the region, what is the need of the farmer, what is the need of the market. On the basis of that, if you can formulate the policy with the government support, then we can make the success story. I know that you are doing excellent jobs. You are trying your level best. But somewhere with comparison with international scenario, we need to understand what are the development in the USA, what are the development in California, what are the development in Israel, what are the development in Korea. On the basis of that, we need to make the research and study. I am just giving you the example of automobile industry, which is related with my ministry. When I taken charge as the minister, our automobile industry number was 7 in the world. Today we have the size of the industry is 12,50,000 crore. All reputed brands in the world are present, and now just we surpassed Japan. Our number was 4 and now our number is 3rd. And I am taken as a mission and target to my ministry that we want to make automobile industry in 5 years number 1 in the world. We have got the capability, we have got the potential, we have got the research on ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-LNG, bio-CNG, electric and hydrogen. Now we are making bio-aviation fuel. So everywhere the research is very important.